What's going on, everybody? Today we have another Temu video. This time I was trying to find the cheapest four-stroke and actually a four-stroke mini bike. And this is what I came up with. Temu obviously rolls different items every few minutes here. And this one I was able to get for a reasonable price, which I'll attach somewhere in the video. You'll see it somewhere in here. Now, what this is a FRP, which we've seen before. It was the two-stroke, which they marketed as a four-stroke. But this time, this thing is an actual four-stroke mini bike. And you can see it's pretty small. We're looking at about 2.5 feet by about 2 feet tall. I can't imagine this thing is very large. As you can see, it's the FRP brand. It's a GMB100. And this is the red color one. According to this, it says gross weight 90 pounds. It was pretty light. I can get this up here myself, and it was reasonable to put up. So let's open the box and see how it goes. All right, let's take a look at it. Now, it's up on the table because it's a little bit shorter of a mini bike. First time I'm opening this. I bought this probably 8-9 months ago, maybe a little bit longer. I was just waiting for the right time to do the video on it. So there we go. Actually, I gotta bring you up a little ways. There we go, right there. Okay, we're gonna tip this over, see what it looks like. Ooh, it's packaged really nice. Look at that. You know what? Let's get this on the ground. Pull this out. Okay, we have a tire down here. This is a small mini bike. They say it's four-stroke, but it's not as small as the one we saw before. And the seat's a lot nicer on this. Front forks are down here. You can actually see the direction it goes. Okay, let's start pulling this thing apart. This one I purchased fully with my own money. Just give this a whirl right here just to make sure. Oh, nice. This is an interesting way to store the front fender. Now, mini bikes can go for a lot of money. The price per what you get is apparently really good. You know, the Colemans are now like $800 or $900 at Tractor Supply or like Runnings or any of the box stores you see around. These things are like 300 bucks or less. And again, I'll post exactly what I paid for it here, along with the discounts I get as well. So let's take another look at this thing. Let's build it and see how it looks. There we have it in all of its glory. Okay, we have the GMB100 built, and we're gonna get it out and try it. You can see the size of it. It's on the table because it's a bit smaller, but it is bigger than the two-stroke one we had before. So I can't wait to get this out and see if it actually takes me up the hills, down the hills, off-road, on-road, and we're gonna test the top speed of this too. So stay tuned, let's get it out, try it out. Okay, first things first, we gotta get it off the table. We're gonna see how much this weighs. Oh, this thing is light. We're talking 90 pounds, maybe? Okay, we could carry her. There she is, in all of her glory. We're gonna try to start this up for the very first time. There we go. Choke off. There she is, she's running. We're gonna try to start it back up from this direction. Let's hit it again. There we go. It is four-stroke. All right, we got a four-stroke mini bike. Brake works pretty well. There's no way we're getting up this hill. Nope, absolutely no way we're getting up there. But yeah, let's take it for a ride. Let's see what it's got. It's actually really comfortable. I don't trust this on ice, so we're gonna go nice and slow. Woo! Kicked out a little bit. All right, here we go off-road. This thing's pretty quick, right? Whoa! We got the centrifugal clutch on here. Woo! I am gonna get soaked. I know it. It's going up a hill. Not too fast, but we're going up there. We're pinned. Oh, muddy, muddy, muddy. This was all ice and snow a couple days ago. It's moving. This thing is awesome. It's really weak. 100 cc's checks out. The funny part is, it's actually, the seat is more comfortable than most e-bikes with suspension. And it having wider tires than e-bikes actually is nicer. Okay, let's go up here. Oh, come on. It's really trying. Gonna give it a little I'm too heavy, for sure. All right, let's see if I can get this thing moving. There we go. I can smell the Chinese motor struggling a little bit. Or the clutch, probably the clutch. There it goes. Nice, here's the whoops right here. Whoop. Another couple of them. It flattened out a lot this last year, but yeah, whoa, we're actually cooking.
Right.
I'm assuming this is going to do about 28 to 30. A lot of wetness up here, a lot of ice still. Yeah, this is not made for me.
Nope.
Good for, 6 to 12-year-old. Woohoo! Brakes are really good. Go around the berm. Being almost 200 pounds, I'd say this is probably made for somebody up to 110, 120, because this is a small hill right here and it's struggling. Most of my e-bikes can even make it up past this. You can see, all right, so take a look at this. I think it works, but, you know, once this clutch kicks in, it's gonna get pretty quick, I think. Oh yeah, wow. Whoa. That's scary fast. You know what? I'm gonna do a top speed on this. Play button, there we go, you can see it. And there's gonna calculate the speed, so yeah, let's try it out. See how fast it goes. Okay, speedometer on, let's do it. See how fast we get. Centrifugal clutch. Oh my. Slow down around here. Still a little icy. We're going down a slight hill. That's it right there, top speed. It's quick. It's scary for the size. This is way better than the other one. I'm definitely too heavy for this. Still weak, still a little weak for me. It's trying its best. Need to carry some speed. We're going to try it this way. There we go. Carry some speed down here. Woo! Pull it aside and talk about it. Okay. Okay, we're going to take a look at the top speed of the FRP GMB100. Let's see, what is your guess? My guess is 20. We hit 22 miles an hour. Wow, that's really good for what it is. On the FRP GMB100 is a lot more impressive than I thought it was going to be. But this is with me with 200 pounds. I'm assuming this will do almost 30 miles an hour with somebody a little bit smaller. But yeah, pretty good top speed on that. So that is the completed test on the FRP GMB100. This is for that 6-year-old to 10-year-old range. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the quality of this over the other 2-stroke one that claimed it was 4-stroke. As you can see, it is a little bit more expensive than the other one, but it's still 4-stroke. You don't need to mix oil and gas together. You do have to put oil in during the build process, as we saw. But you know what? It's all worth it when it comes down to it, because the 4-strokes are better than the 2-strokes. I'm going to keep showcasing these as long as you want to see them. This is the cheapest mini bike 4-stroke that you can get for the money on Temu. So anyways, guys, we will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Please like and subscribe for more content, especially when it comes down to testing the cheapest Temu items, because I'm going to keep going at them until I've tested all the motorsports, and we're going to try them all. All right, guys, see you soon. Take it easy.